In today's video, I'll show you how to import fonts in Klaviyo so you can fully customize your email campaigns and match your brand's unique style. Let's get started. First, log into your Klaviyo account and head over to the campaigns section on the left-hand side. Select the campaign where you want to add your new font. Once inside, click the three dots menu and choose Edit Campaign. Now, drag a text block into your design. This is where your new font will be applied. At the top toolbar, you will see the font drop-down menu. Click on it, and if your desired font isn't listed, select Add Font. Here you have three options: import directly from Google Fonts, sync with the Adobe fonts, or upload your own font file. Once added, simply apply it to your text block. This instantly gives your campaign a branded, professional look that makes your emails stand out in subscribers' inboxes. And that's it. You've just learned how to import fonts in Klaviyo the quick and easy way. Don't forget, your font choice can make a big difference in readability and engagement. So pick one that truly represents your brand. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Klaviyo tips.